Hey everybody, welcome to Click Clacks RCs and welcome to the first ever episode of the channel. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the scx10 Deadbolt 2. Now it's going to be a lot of things coming up, but for right now, just make sure you don't touch my Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope everyone got the RCs of their dreams today. But more about the channel, this is my first RC. Well, it's my first crawler RC. We got a few other RCs that you'll be seeing on the channel here and there. But now, I'm kind of stuck on these crawler trucks, so bear with me. If you like these crawlers too, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow. It's going to be a lot of live videos and live streams. We got a course going on right now that we're building. So, everybody stick in. Stay tuned. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you purchased the scx10II, check the oil and the shocks because this one came extremely low. So, I got some plans to flip these around and move this forward and push all of this forward. That will allow more movement in the rear. Now this is something they could have kept. You would think this would come with some kind of toy from Walmart or something, but after a while, you kind of get used to it. It kind of got a nice feel, but there's just no driving it with one hand and recording, so I'm going to have to come up with some kind of solution. But I'm going to toss that for right now. And as you know, with the Axial, you always get the bag of goodies. But y'all stay tuned. It's a lot of good things coming to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe.